Hey guys, this is Subhash Kumar. Once again I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So whenever you log into the Onlive server, that is onliveserver.com, then you will see this is our first interface of our official website. Like this is our first of our navigations option, like dedicated option, dedicated server, VPS, cloud hosting, SSL certification, services, domain registration, and higher admin informations. So this is our first officially website interface. Like whenever you scroll then you will face, or you will get like hyper highlighted plan, like France based dedicated server hosting, Germany dedicated server hosting, and UK based dedicated server hosting plans. This is our highlighted plans, and these are some of additional information. In footer section you will get some of the important navigation options, like important links where you will get the complete detail about, if you think that you need the some additional information about the cheapest dedicated server hosting, then you can click here. And if you think that you require some of the VPS information, then you can click here. And here are some of the payment options, like we accept the payment through these channels like Litecoin, Paytm, PayPal, UPI, PayUmoney, Bitcoin. These are some of the additional and payment methods. So basically this video is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So we will go to the dedicated section. So whenever you log into the or click to the dedicated section, and here you will get the multiple country wise dedicated server hosting plans, like Chicago, Finland, Europe, Dubai, China based dedicated server hosting plans. So we will go to the Canada based dedicated server hosting section. Now click here. In our previous video I have already explained the fourth one plan. Like with this plan available, you will get Intel Xeon processor, or these are informations like 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of hard disk, and this one plan was available at just $199. Now in this video tutorial we will explain the 511 plan. Like this plan is available at just $299 per month, and with this plan you will get Intel 2 Xeon processor, okay, and with 16 core processor and 32 thread, and 2.4 GHz of frequency, and 128 GB of RAM, and 2 TB of hard disk, okay. And this plan is absolutely beneficial for higher traffic of website, like gaming website or e-commerce type of website, and additionally higher traffic of website. So with this plan this plan's data center location will be the Montreal and Canada based. So to buy this plan, you can click on the buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then you will be redirected to the configuration page. Here you will get the complete configuration of this page. Like with this plan you will get 16 core and 32 thread of processor, like Intel Xeon processor you will get with this plan, and 128 GB of RAM, and 2 TB of hard disk, and you will also get one dedicated IP with this plan, and anti-DDoS protection also included with this plan. So just scroll the page, and here you will get some of the choose the billing cycle information. That is one of the most important things. Like whenever you click on this option, like you will get up to the 4 options, like monthly basis. This is basically the billing cycle options. Like if you think that if your budget is very low, so you can choose the monthly basis plan. You can choose with this plan. If you choose the monthly basis plan, then you have to pay the monthly basis price, so monthly basis of charges. Like if you choose the monthly basis plan, and the second one is the quarterly, and third one is the semi-annually, and fourth one, that is the last one, is the annually. Okay, so we will choose for the demo classes or for the demo videos, you can choose the monthly basis plan. Now scroll the page. Here you have to fill like this is a server hosting host name. So yeah, here you have to write like host name. We will write this one, and here you have to fill your password. Here you have to fill your website name, like this one here, okay. And here you have to fill your keep your password like this one, and ns1 ns2. Now just scroll the page, and here you get some of the additional information about the operating system, control panel, bandwidth, IP, and dedicated DDoS protections, and the data center information. So like whenever you click on the operating system, then you will get the lots of operating systems are available, like Ubuntu, Debian, or parallels, Windows based operating system, Debian based operating, CentOS based operating system. Some of the operating system are chargeable, or some of the operating system are absolutely free. So like if you choose the Windows based operating system, then it will be chargeable, and it's showing into the INR currency, because I'm from India. If you are from out of India, then you will see the price in dollar. Okay, and choose according to your convenient. So, and this is the control panel options. Like here the up to the 4 or 5 control panels are available, like C panel, press panel, direct admin. So choose according to your convenience. Now here is the IP information. Like with this plan you are getting up to the one dedicated IP, and if you think that you require some of additional IP, then you can choose here. Now with this plan also you are getting the anti-DDoS protection, and here are also some of additional information about this. And the data center location is the Montreal, Canada. So after getting these information, click on the continue button. Now after clicking on the continue button, then you will redirect to the review and checkout page. Just review these informations and click on the checkout option, like this one. Now you will be redirected to the checkout page. This is our final page. Now here you have to fill in some of important information, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your company detail, like company name, address, city name, country name. Now so scroll the page, and here you will get some of the payment methods, like we will accept the payment through the credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet, or UPI Vim through. If you are from India, then you can choose this one option. So if you are from the out of country, or if you are from the India, you can also choose the other one also. So we also accept the payment through the Bitcoin and Union Pay, Web Money, Alpha Click, Alipay, Yandex Money, and PAN contact. These are some of the payment methods. So choose according to your convenient and do the payment and complete your order. I hope this video is absolutely beneficial for you. So keep smiling and keep sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.